I mean?
Yes.
Why we play that song and make you know say Zoro na from Enugu na income from. Meanwhile, our phone numbers don't on top of TV na gonna begin to call us to take for talk to Zoro. And then on top Twitter as well, when I go follow us for W Night Show to talk to us. Now, Zoro, make I ask you, what's the one? How music they start for you? Because we know say you go to school and your parents not going to just support your music like that. Yeah, so exactly. how the whole waka take be before they come say okay
finally
what happened when pass you Zoro?
Papa Zoro, no.
Papa Zoro. Nah, it's me. Daddy Zoro, you know the
No. I actually called Pops yesterday. He say, "Ha, Zoro ne way." Unlike him before, you know. It started like play. I never knew I was going to be here today, frankly speaking. You know, but my dad doesn't know how to sing. My mom doesn't know how to sing. Nobody in my family knows how to sing. Even my younger bro tried to sing, but it didn't work. It always then I would record songs. He would take the song, come to and get the songs from me, go to Onitsha and performing them. That's how much he wanted to do music. But
the thing not just
it didn't work for him. You understand? So
how you can learn? I don't know. If it's not in your family tree, nobody they sing in your family. You know anybody they sing for your family?
So how it takes start? How
I started from school. Like I lived in a dormitory.
Yes.
You know, CIC, and anybody that passed
through there go no.
I lived in a St. Matthew's hostel. Then the hostel very close to us is St. John's. Okay. And then St. John's you get basketball.
Sorry, hold on. Maureen, good evening.
Hello, this is Maureen.
Maureen, how is you?
I'm fine.
You want to talk to us? We get Zoro inside studio.
Yeah, I want to speak to Zoro.
Zoro, they hear you. You want to speak it.
Mama,
Mama,
so you know how to speak in so.
Passati maybe.
Nah, yeah, I'm enjoying your music.
Nah, man.
That's it.
Thanks a lot, man. God bless you, Mama.
Yeah, you're really taking Igbo, as in you're taking Igbo very far with the way you rap, and I enjoy it.
Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it.
Okay, please don't speak to Nedu.
Speak to it. I don't hear you.
Hello, guy. You look very cute with what you're wearing.
I say, guy, you look very cute. You be guy. Oh, babe, thank you.
Okay, have a nice night. Bye.
You want a nice night. From IKORODU, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
How is you, Julius?
I'm fine. Good evening. First time call, I'll do that for me.
I talk to Zoro.
Show. I want just talk to this guy again.
He dey hear you.
Okay. You know what I mean? Again, I greet you.
I greet you back, Chairman.
Yeah, good evening.
Greet you.
Only say I'm not too sabi you, but this is my first time I see you on show.
Okay.
And in fact, I give you thumbs up for your rap. I did see your swag.
Thanks a lot, man.
You are not people person, but your music they are point.
God bless you,
and I want to make one request.
Okay.
Can you, sir?
I
beg, that's your Ogbonge, because now as my contact say you feature Katin. Though for that music I not see Katin, so you go do remix so that then your camera catch Katin see him, because now for this show I know but we not see him.
No
so
problem. No, we go do it. Before commercial today, we go do the remix here. Then Katin go twerk.
So I go see Katin.
Yes.
Katin for that video. Katin, I want to see your face.
And at the video you go see him now. Good night.
All right, thank you.
Go. Hello. Samuel.
Hello.
Sam. There, Sam.
Hello, Sam.
Fine.
I just want to speak to Zoro now.
He hear you.
One down I'm here.
Zoro, your music is the bone.
Thanks a lot, man.
Honestly, I love your sound. You know, I love the lyrics. I love the swag.
Don't make you love Enugu now.
You sound well, and I like.
Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it, man.
It's not easy. I know it take you a long time to get like this one.
Okay.
You there bedroom? You think fun they come, and you know what shot when they not catch you. Hey, come on now.
Okay.
You know who's again? Good night. From Jos, good evening.
Person don't even feel here what's in the talk.
Hello.
That's swag.
Hello. Now this swag, star boy, swag bag. Now Zoro cause up. Chinwe. Hello.
Good evening.
Evening.
Nne, how is you?
I don't find no fuma.
It went no pasaka pasata.
Ne what if men.
Ngwa talk to Zoro.
I say ba. Now when they sing with Igbo, they like them because my children know they hear English, they hear Igbo only English.
Okay.
What for you?
So I like them and the way when they speak everything, they do everything, and they ask me, I go they explain from there, then they hear the language.
Yeah, so.
Ask when last you visit village.
Now when last you carry your children go village?
Would they go studio?
Steady. And then now Sabi speak.
Just small.
You know what you go do? How many children you get?
4.
Now, you go do what my papa do me when I small. Before we ask for anything, you go use Igbo take ask for him. If not so, forget it.
And they do
Ingwa, good night. Thank God. Go, bye-bye. Good night.
Wait. I beg. Katie.
Casey Limpopo.
Oh, Stephen Kishi.
Wait. Hello?
Hello?
Ingwa talk.
I said this your colleague. I too like this girl.
Kate.
Katim. You want Mariam?
I don't marry her. I just like her. She fine.
Okay, she don't hear you.
Sense.
Now her talent. She don't fine like that. Hello, from Enugu. Good evening.
Mary Jane.
Mary Jane. Hey. Okay. Now you've been talking about. I don't forget to you talk about your hostel. How it takes
Yeah, how I
St.
started,
John
yeah.
and...
So, and then you would, in my own hostel, we didn't have people that could do things that were extraordinary, you know. Just have people that could, break people's cupboards, take your stuff.
So, was thief.
Yeah, that was like,
them.
yeah, not really thief, we call it tapping.
No, the same thing now.
No, we call it tapping. They say tapping. Tapping is a game. If you tap my own, I tap your own. Egu ka inu egu. If you tap my own, I jide lagi. Oshiki inu egu.
Now, what did they say for school?
So then I decided to maybe try to just create something from my own side.
Okay.
So I hooked up with 2 of my hostel mates, OZ and Okiti Bolabo.
Okay.
Then OZ will be doing the high pitch shouting. Hey. OZ will be Okiti will be giving me the beats, and then I'll be maybe trying to rap and stuff and mime other people's songs and like that. So after school, Jam kept me at home for I think about 3 years. Because I wanted to do marine engineering, So kept me at home for 3 years. I now developed that. I started writing. I didn't even know how to write. I wrote rap like essay. I write everything together. I didn't know how
to break out.
Yeah, and I'm the first child, so there was practically nobody to guide me, put me through. So like that, I started doing it. And then my friends always tell me, you try, you can't do this thing. I always say like,
go down ginger. From what they tell you,
no, but I wasn't taking it serious. I just was doing it for fun and stuff. And then one day, after the whole ginger, I went to church. I said, God, if this thing is my talent, I don't want to be deceiving myself.
They wait for marine engineering.
So if this thing is my talent, just give me a sign. That was when DMX's song, Lord, give me a sign. And then the next month, I got featured on Wusagi.
Wusagi.
I rapped on Wusagi. Yeah, Wusagi, bro, in Malay. And I was just 18 then when I rapped on Wusagi. It was the second time I was entering the studio.
Wow. From Port Harcourt, good evening, Amara.
Yes, Nedu.
Backstory.
Hey, how are you?
This is not Nedu's voice because I'm not hearing him.
Hey. Which person voice you hear?
Nedu, yes, I'm hearing you. Nedu, Inami.
You know what I'm saying?
Inami.
You know what I'm saying?
Katim, good evening.
Evening, yo. You know what I mean?
No, it's wrong. Please, I like 0, 0, 0.
Hey, baby, you know what I'm saying?
How you doing? Inami.
You know what I'm saying? I'm all right, man. What's good?
All right, then. We all love you.
I love you guys too, even though I cannot see you guys. I love you. I love you guys too.
They do down. Do your everywhere. They do.
Now the first time they call me this.
The first time they call me this. These are nothing. Right now, let me feed my baby. Take care.
You want to do anything?
I want to feed my baby. I want God to talk to you.
Who want to talk to me?
Right now, bye.
What do you want? Good night. Good night. Thank you. Nature from Italy.
Guinea, nature.
Hey, they do what they do.
One now, how is you?
Nature.
It's fine. This is first time.
What do they do for Italy?
Hello?
Yeah, Nature, would they hear you?
Do my thing, do my own, do my first time. I'm in first time call.
You know what they do for here. Don't ask me.
I see you badly.
Waiting.
I don't see you well. I dey enjoy your show.
Thank you, Nature.
Me and my wife would laugh, would tire.
Hey, yeah, kiss your wife. Mwah, mwah. You may kiss your wife. Mwah. Oh, kiss your wife. Mwah.
No, take this.
We don't miss the duo. Watch your past one.
Hey, yeah, it go YouTube. We can YouTube. We now watch it.
No, YouTube would watch you. Steady all the past ones. Man, they try.
We don't put one yesterday.
Thank you.
It's here.
Thank you. We get Zoro inside studio.
Man, the way they rap the thing, me don't understand.
Yes, so it's God's doing, man.
Now Nigerian languages go use rap.
Swear.
Yes, so.
You dey do it well. God bless you.
Thank you, man. Bless you too. Bless you too.
Dimension.
Bless you, man. Bless you.
Nature.
Go and be natural.
Go and be natural to your wife.
Yes.
Peace.
Okay. I beg, make una help me easy beat. I beg, in the try.
In the inhale.
I hear, bro.
In the inhale.
You know what I mean?
Why not me? Good night. Kiss your wife. You know what I'm saying?
Good night.
Good night. Hello.
Hello.
Pep, how is you, sister in the Lord?
Hello.
Hello, Vicky.
Hello.
Hello, Vicky.
Yeah.
Yos.
Dr. Zoro.
I can't hear you.
Dr. Zoro.
Victoria, good night.
Then if you didn't hear that
Zoro,
one, we cannot help you.
How, of course, now, I go say na hip hop you do now.
Yeah.
I go say na hip hop you do. Now, since when you start music, how long you done for music?
I've been doing it for roughly 8 years.
8 years now.
Professionally, for 2012 till now. That's 4 years. Professionally,
Professionally, 4 years now. Now, for that professionally, what you doing for 4 years now, how you go say it don't do for you?
It's not been easy though. Like I met a lot of people that that didn't understand my dreams or the kind of person that I am and what I wanted to achieve with the whole thing. So it kind of made me slowed me down a little bit. But thank God, so far so good. This year I decided to do everything the way I wanted. I've been doing this since this year and see how far I've come.
Exactly.
So that's in a summary the journey.
Chigo's here. Good evening. Hello.
Chigo's here.
Chigo's here. Chigaram. Now, which challenges you go say you face for music?
There's a lot of I like being myself. I like keeping it 100.
Before you answer, from Asaba, good evening.
You don't talk. Good evening.
Uche one na kekwan.
How the mao?
Ngwa talk to Zoro.
Zoro.
Easy.
Zoro, I just want to answer that song they shine from inside the studio.
It's not sunshine. If right after Mbolanyam, easy.
Song they shine.
But it after Mbolanyam now.
Song not they shine now.
I can't wait to.
It's not.
But it's transparent now.
Night.
Uche, you dey hear Zoro they talk so. He said it's not. It's transparent.
It's transparent. I want to, after Mbolanyam through the glasses.
I know.
So why you come to complain?
Now, you come wear cap together. The two are the same.
Now you're wearing.
Hey!
Thank you, something. I love our program. Isn't it? I hear you.
Boss, I hear good evening.
I feel I like you.
Thank you, my brother. Good night. So, yeah, challenges. You were talking about challenges.
Yeah, so you get to meet people that don't get to understand you. And then I like being myself. And this whole thing we do, a lot of people want to live the way people would want to see them. Not, the way they want naturally are. Yes. So I'm not that guy that I would want to, be that guy like the way people want to see me. Like been to the house a couple of times. I always be myself at any time. You've seen me here tomorrow. Approach me. This is who I am. I don't.
So you are based here in Lagos?
Yeah, I'm here in Lagos. So
when speak English, so
when people want me to be that Zoro they expect me to be, it's always very difficult for me to be.
Because now act now.
Yeah, you got the actor, so I don't know how to do it.
How you enter the ginger to be, that act?
I just put myself in a more like.
Because that thing be like masquerade, no things fall apart, no be arrow of God.
It be like makeup where girls they wear. Hello, good evening.
Abi, that thing.
Joy. Joy.
Hey, Joy, girl.
All Zoro girlfriends, don't they call? Hello, Joy. Joy. Okay, Joy, now you be our last caller. Now, Zoro will not to get time because time don't finish now. Now, on top Twitter,
no, we don't to get.
Network now. Anyway, I beg man and not vex. Those of now when they say they send message on top Twitter, man and not vex. Our network now where get typhoid.
Yes.
Dog, not vex. Now.
Duncan Mighty.
Now, waiting. We'll see the Zoro album anytime soon.
Yeah, I'm looking at next year.
Next year. So so which means the remaining part of this year, how long will we wait before we'll see another singles from Zoro?
I'm trying to work on a remix.
Ogbonge.
Ogbonge remix.
Who got there for the remix?
I wouldn't say, but it's international.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I don't have to. I
don't understand.
Anyway, so before I come up for
broken English. But meanwhile, when you switch to Igbo, you just enter a bit like you did your compound. Then you just change them to English. Because they make me and they do the speaking English.
Before we come up for inside studio, I don't know what you get to talk to your fans and to everybody. And for those who want to follow you on top social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Fancha, just.
Yeah, I want to thank everybody that has been supporting me one way or the other. People that would always be there to tell me when I'm getting it right and when I'm going wrong. I appreciate you guys. I also want to thank Oganedu and my sister here. He's been very, 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 very backbone to my movement and stuff. Always make sure.
No, speak up in Igbo, my brother. Just feel free.
No, I'm trying to balance it too, so that people. I'll still come to that part.
Okay, that is it.
What speed?
That is highly.
So I also want to thank
if we don't come out,
Don Maserati.
Hey, one night.
Don Maserati, one cano.
One cano.
I also want to thank virtually everybody: Kuku, Jerry, Mega, Fino, Flavour. My big brother that came here with me, Ivan.
Ivan, yeah,
Swag
Ivan,
daddy,
I see you. Ivan, swag daddy. Ivan, you get one song where Ivan do Ivan is like, hey, that's
now you don't remember swag daddy.
Anyway, those who are following on top Twitter and Instagram quickly.
At Zoro Swagbag, at ZOROSWAGBAG. Same on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Then Zoro Chimobi on Facebook.
Okay.
Zoro Chimobi. Anyway, double try to everybody when they say don't call us. We're going to use the video of Ogbonge take come out for inside studio. Good night. Tomorrow we'll get there and late. And all the crazy people, then go there for inside studio tomorrow. Hopefully. Anyway, good night.